This past April, we headed to French Polynesia to celebrate our recent elopement and our 50th birthdays. This is us exploring the island of Tahiti. We are in gorgeous French Polynesia on the island of Tahiti, and this is a tour of our wonderful Airbnb. So we rented this place. It's 2 bedrooms on the water, and it is beautifully decorated and super comfy. There's Matt. Matt, give me a wave. Jump on this thing, show people how comfy it is. It's like a giant beanbag sofa. So this is one gathering spot. And you can see there's just beautiful artwork all over the place. This was built, what was it, 1965? 1962 by someone's grandpa. We have 2 giant closets in here. We're using this bedroom, which has doors that open onto the porch. And there's a tub out there. We'll use it later. There I am. And then there's a second bedroom. And then the bathroom. Very beautiful. That's me. Hello. With, of course, a wonderful shower. I love a shower that feels like the outside. But everything in here is decorated really nice. Lots of Tahitian charm all over the place. It's got this beautiful open floor plan.
I think this is the best part, I think.
Yeah, that's definitely the best part. Really incredible kitchen. They have water, which is great. They left beautiful fresh flowers. Another set of doors. There's 3 sets of doors to the porch and the yard. So we have this gorgeous porch. I already got the tub. There's a grill. And then this yard and garden. There's some outdoor dining. Dining set out here, some chairs. And then we come here to our own entrance to a black sand beach. We rented a, what is this called?
Renault Quid with a K.
Quid with a K. It is gorgeous out. It's 80 degrees and perfect. And yeah, so we're gonna go take a surf lesson with some dude. Lots of roundabouts. Oh, there's a kayak. And then afterwards, we're gonna go see the blowhole, right?
Yep.
And then go on more adventures. So we just finished surfing. 2 hours surfing. It was so much fun. And now we're headed towards the waterfalls and hopefully the blowhole. It's not closed, but it is just gorgeous and green.
What do you think, Paige?
Hi. We're at a waterfall in Tahiti.
That is something.
That is spectacular. We will have more information when we do the informational class.
There's a legend, apparently.
Oh, is there?
The legend of the 3 waterfalls, it says.
Ah.
Said there was the daughter of a chief who was so pretty, the chief forbid any male talking to her.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was one dude that
Talk to her.
got killed.
Got killed.
So then she got sick, or her mother got sick, and she was tending to her mother, and then another guy who helped the mother.
Yeah.
And then it turns out that he was
The dead guy?
no, he was a wizard
Oh, wizard.
of the valley, and he disguised himself as an attractive young man.
Right.
Anyway, she said they fall in love, and he said, I'll stay with you forever, no matter what.
Yeah.
The chief sent the guards after him because she was forbidden. And the guy made the 2 waterfalls come down and splash over the front of them and shield them from all the guards and stuff.
Oh. Well, what was the point of saying the bit? Wait, what was the point of the bit with the first guy who died?
That was just the story of the girl, like her history, right? Yeah, so that's where the 2
other waterfalls are?
The dude and the princess are supposedly behind those waterfalls. And apparently you can see them on certain nights during full moon. There's fluorescent glow.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
The wizard and the
And one of it
princess?
translates like the fluorescent waterfall or something like that.
That's cool.
And then the other one we just saw,
Yeah.
he crashed it down over the guards.
So we came up to Eau Belvedere for dinner, and it was the scariest drive of our entire lives. So now we're driving back down without eating, but it's fun to watch because we don't want to do this in the dark. So we're literally on the top of the mountain, and everything is just this really steep drop off. We saw bikers, we saw hikers, and not a single car. There are cars up here though, and the restaurant was very cool, and it had a pool and pool tables, and it looked like a really fun spot. But I chose poorly and insisted we come here for dinner, and we're just gonna very slowly make our way back. Some really nice shots of Tahiti.
It's death. And that one has rocks.
It's crazy. We have to have one misadventure per trip. This is our sandy spit of the trip. Let's hope we don't have any additional ones. How do you say it?
Bonjour.
No, say it in French Polynesian.
What was good morning?
No.
Yorana.
Yorana.
Hello.
Yeah, Yorana.
Yorana.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna mess up. Teahupo.
I think you said that right, which is the big wave where they conducted the 2024 Olympics. So the first time surfing was in the Olympics, it was here in Tahiti, and we are going to go to the marina and get on a water taxi to take us to see the big wave. Alright, did your hand trick.
Rude if you would say it.
Oh no, I can't say it, just do this.
I'm making a YouTube, Diane.
I'm making a YouTube, Diane. Look at that.
lose sight of him.
There's a incredible mat. Look, another one.
Oh my god. Missed it. I think you could do it.
No, I can't. So we learned how to turn the camera around so we can see ourselves. All right, we are
Back at the house.
We're back at the house.
That's our house, our yard up there.
Up there.
There.
So we're in Tahiti and we're watching the sunset at this gorgeous black sand beach. And I'll see if there's any fish. Hold on a second. You'll have to tell us later if you saw any fish. But we did snorkel over here earlier and it was phenomenal. So yeah, that's it. Tahiti is amazing. What is the name of this? this neighborhood again?
Arue?
Arue?
Aru?
Aru?
I don't know. I think it has a dash over the E.
Yeah,
so
if you're
I'm gonna
watching this, just don't come at us in the comments and correct it. We'll spell it right, and we'll learn how to say it. Just have some, extend some grace, you know? But we're having a great time. Tahiti is amazing. And
miss the sunset, though.
Don't miss the sunset, which is incredible.
While we're talking.
And those islands in the distance, I'm going to try to zoom.
That's Moorea.
Moorea.